Hello, good morning, and welcome to my channel. This is Misty with A Unique Treasure. I am in the middle of, not middle, I'm in the late stages of actually completing this journal. And this is a design team project for Odulcina, and you will find her at Etsy or on Etsy at Odulcina. You just pop in her name, but I will have her link in the description box. I have used several packs and will be using several packs in this journal. This might be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway journal, but I'm going to give you guys details on that in a second. Just want to show you some of her work real quick. I'm not going to do a flip through of these. Um, her work is gorgeous. I purchased these, and with it came, she always gives you extras, and what this was one of the envelopes that she makes, or they're absolutely stunning envelopes. And I don't know why I keep messing this up. Look, I'm trying to open it in the wrong place. And all her little details are really super cute on here, and she does such a wonderful job. And she also has these cute little videos that I can't wait to start learning how to do some ribbon work by hand. And she calls it embroidery, which it is. And I like calling it ribbon work because she's working with silk ribbon and they're just beautiful. I do have a mask on. I'm under the weather right now, but I'm going to stop talking here after I just give you some details on something. I have gone through this, and so it's a little messy. I am going to give you guys an option of what you would like to vote on as far as the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If I should do product, if I should do journals, and I'm just going to give you guys some ideas. She used the Back in Time kit, which is one of my most favorite kits of hers. All of them are just gorgeous, but this one is like one of my favorites on that one. Um, so this will be for the sake of getting this done, she has been so gracious to allow me to take off the time I needed because I couldn't sit for months. It was just crazy, but I've been going to the back specialist and all kinds of good stuff. So I'm able to sit right now, but now I've come down with a cold because my grandchildren decided to surprise visit me, which was so wonderful. But at the same time, I got sick because one of them was really sick. So without further ado, I'm just going to tell you this particular one measures approximately 8.5 by 5 3/4. The kit used, of course, is Back in Time. I will be using some kits in here. I have not filled it with ephemera yet. I just stuck some things in some places so you get an idea. But Back in Time, Antique Label Kit, and Antique Documents, and Vintage Elements. These are the ones I plan on using to fill this up and do things with because I didn't want to just throw stuff in there. I like I might want to decoupage or do different things to it. I just it takes me so long to do a journal because my throat. I I like doing things to it. So that, you know, that takes some time. What I did want to tell you is this. Let me get it frame here. This will either be one of them for the 1,000 subscribers, subby giveaways, or you can choose to have like a pink, white, creams, shabby uh, journal, or blues, white, and creams. We can also do product instead. I'd like to know what you would like for joining, because some of you have joined my giveaways so many times, and I would like for your input now. And there will be second and third prizes. So the big main prize would typically be the journal. However, I'm going to give the person who wins the first prize, which would be the journal, the choice, what they would like. And so this is going to be really interesting. This is not the actual video describing the events. This video is for my design team project with Odulcina Scrap Ann, and um, it also is to give you guys some time to think about what you would like and maybe put it in the comments, hey, I would love to see you do a shabby giveaway again, or steampunk or whatever, you know. I love doing all kinds of things, but I tend to lean towards shabby, but I can do anything basically. So anyways, so let me know. I can do, I can do the dangles, things like that. I hope I covered everything. I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm actually going to only mention one thing here. This tag that I made is actually made out of roses that were going out, and instead of just getting rid of them, I put them on paper with a few like little gold balls that I got from the dollar store, and I put a butterfly in there, and I can't remember anything else. And then I just went to my sewing machine and I sewed around it and cut out a tag. And this is what I put in here for content. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to put music on and do the flip through. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'd love to have you. Like this video, please, and share it in your groups. If you're admin in a group or you can get permission, please share it because you'd be surprised. 50 people is a lot of people, but that's not going to get me to the 1,000 and that I'm looking for. And I am going to have a little smaller giveaway in between, just for getting me to 600 so quick. But it's not going to be a journal. So think about what you like to have or see. I can do many things. I love doing different things. I don't necessarily have to do shabby. So you guys let me know. Thank you. Here we go.